Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2016 Honda Civic and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So just apply Slip Solution to the headlight, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So for the headlight, it is a two-piece installation because of the design that the headlight comes with this piece here. So just apply Slip Solution to the headlight and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film right on the edge. Make sure you align it there, and it should end roughly around this section here. So first we're going to make sure we tack it down around the edge here. So just apply Tack Solution underneath the film. Make sure it stays aligned right on the edge. Once you have it aligned, apply Tack Solution on top, grab your squeegee, and tack down the film. And make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the tint. Okay, and with this section of the film, we're just going to help it tack down right here. So do a light stretch in order to align it to the edge here. But first we'll take care of aligning this whole section here as well, and we'll focus tacking it down here. So to tack it down on the edge, just apply Tack Solution underneath the film, place it back down, and with your squeegee, help it tack down. You may need to apply a little bit of heat just to help it tack down around the curve here, so it can wrap on top and on the bottom. Because if we don't apply heat, it's just going to lift over time, and we want to avoid that. So applying heat now to tack this whole section down should be fine. So apply Tack Solution on the top area and apply a little bit of heat, and then with our fingers we're going to help it sit on these two top edges. And you just repeat this process until you tack down these two sections. And do the same process for this edge right here as well. Okay, so now we need to work on this section of the headlight. So just apply a little bit of Slip Solution on the edge and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just place it. So just align it where you left off with this piece and the top piece. You are going to notice that it doesn't cover all the way inside here because of the curve that it has. So just tack down this middle section once you have it aligned here and here. So apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and start tacking down this section of the film. And the rest should just follow as you install it, just like that. And then just apply heat all around the film. That way the adhesive on the film is able to activate faster, and you can apply heat on the edges just to help it sit a little bit on the curve. Okay, And then once you finish applying heat, the last thing to do is to pulse heat the entire headlight. So the last thing to do once we finish with the whole installation is to pulse heat the entire headlight. So just apply tack solution all over the headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun and start applying heat throughout the entire film. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and it doesn't peel over time. And as we're applying heat, we can use our microfiber towel to just help it tack down around the edges and also help remove any solution that may be underneath the edges here. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2016 Honda Civic. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.